Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm excited to share with you that you can now add files, text, images, videos, and even share a location in your WhatsApp messages via your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, you want to open up your app. In the search bar, type the name you want to send a WhatsApp message to, select the name, then click inside the text field at the bottom. Make sure on the bottom left-hand corner, the drop-down menu, WhatsApp is selected, okay? Then you can click on the plus sign. And here you can choose between different options. So at the top, you can select between camera, video, photo videos, which we then upload from our media storage. You can select a WhatsApp template. You can immediately request a payment or even send a file. A file can be something like a contract, a PDF, some sort of attachment. So for now, let's record a video. Click video. Then your camera will open up. Click record. Hi there, Tom. Thank you so much for signing up for my online course. I'm very excited to have you here. Please check your emails for further instructions. And this is actually a really cool message to send because nobody sends these kind of messages, and people will really remember you if you send a marketing campaign or just a thank you message like that after they purchased your product. And then let's hit a tick. Now the system is uploading a file. Here the system adds a pre-drafted message to it. Hey, I recorded a quick video for you. Click this link to play it. You can now add some more text to it. Let's say best Tina, and then click send. Now you've just heard the WhatsApp message coming in because I sent that message to myself. So let's go into my personal WhatsApp on my phone to show you how that looks like. And here you can see the first one is an image which I accidentally sent. And the second one is the call to action to click the link and watch that video. So let's click the link. And you can see we can now play it, hit play. Hi there, Tom. Thank you so much for signing up for my online course. I'm very excited to have you here. Please. Amazing. And this is how easy you can add different media templates to your WhatsApp messages. I would highly encourage you to do that because that increases customer engagement. It makes you really stand out from the crowd, from everyone else who just sent messages without any media. I will see you in the next video.